Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to contact support on Coin98 mobile app. To contact support for Coin98, launch open the Coin98 application on your mobile device and sign in if necessary. After you're inside the home screen, tap on the Login with One ID or your profile picture, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. In the expanded menu, click on the Settings drop-down. In the expanded menu, click on the Live Support button at the bottom of the screen. Click the Chat Now button, and then your details such as your name, email address, and describe your issue on the text boxes. You'll also need to enter your transaction ID or your wallet address at the bottom of the screen and tap on Start the Chat button. After filling out the required information, you can go ahead and talk directly with the live support team regarding any kind of an issue you have while operating the platform. Make sure that you provide as much details as possible about your issue to get a quicker response. And that is how you easily contact Coin98 customer support in just a couple of steps within the app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.